Hello and what's up everybody. In this video I'll be teaching you how you can use Canva, and I'll be teaching you all the features that Canva and Canva Pro includes. So starting with this right here is www.canva.com, and here you can search stuff whatever you want to make, whether it is thumbnail, channel art, Instagram post, etc, etc. You can create videos in it as well. So let's start with the most simplest thing, which is thumbnail. Let's create a thumbnail for our YouTube channel. We'll click on it and this will drag us to this page. So this right here is the page. There are a lot of different kinds of templates that you can use. Few are free templates and other are pro templates. I have Canva Pro, so I can use any of them. Okay, and here we can create anything, literally anything. So let's say we want to create a thumbnail for our YouTube channel which is based on health and exercise. So let's see the thumbnails here that will relate to our subject. So if we scroll down here, I can see no health thumbnails related to gym maybe. Okay, if you don't find similar content, you can just go with the blank one. I'll just go with the blank one, and just after going inside this, we'll have a page right here that will be our canvas. We will be placing images, text, and everything right here. I'll just go here and search for gym. When I'll search for gym, I'll see many thumbnails, ideas and templates here. So I like this one kind of. I'll just click on it and this will appear on the canvas. So now I have this man here which is completely bodybuilder. So I'll just delete his image and I'll just select this one. Let's select this one. This one is looking cool as well, as this man here is showing his bodybuilding stuff and top 10 fitness secrets for beginners. I'll just go here and write my own name, nutrition. I'll just decrease the size, nutrition and fitness, all together. So this is right here is my thumbnail. This was an idea. So for example, I can now I have text here, I have images here. For example, I want to remove this image. I'll just see here, I can use templates, I can use different kind of elements, I can upload stuff here, images, videos, audios, everything. I can go into photos, I can search for photos here online. I can go into text and add different kind of text here. I can go into audios. Here I can add an audio if I'm creating a video of this. Here I can add a video as well. So I can change the background. So when I'll select anything from this one, the background will change. For example, if I select this one, the background will change to this. Now if I remove this, the background is changed. Okay, so we'll start with adding a photo. Which is again the gym photo. I want to remove this guy here. This one looks cool, this girl looks cool. Now let's go with this one. Let's see, let's add this one. So to add this picture, what you need to do, you can, if you click on it, this will appear on the top, and you don't want this picture to be on the top, you want it to be where that picture was. So you want it behind this red layer. So we'll just drag it and drop it over the corner. If we drop it over the corner, this will be in right place. So now this looks cool. But if we talk about the coloring and the font style, we can click on it and just change the font style over here. If we like Anton, I like this one, but for this sake of this tutorial, I'll just keep on this one. You can change the size here, you can decrease the size, you can increase the size, you can change the color of it. If for example, if you want to do it all white, that will be good as well. But For now, let's turn it back to black. Okay, so you can make the text bold, italic. For this font style, there is no option to create it bold. If I change the font style, I can now turn it into italic, but this font style does not give us the bold option. So it depends upon the font. Now we can use this alignment option to align it left, align it right. For example, if we have it like this, we can align it to center, right, and left. Okay, so this also is a good option to have here. Now if we go into this, we can add lists. Also we can if we want all of this to move around, for example, all of this text, we can select all of them, go into three dots, and we can click on group. This will group all of the text. Now if we place it back here, now I can move all the text with my one finger. Okay, let's place it back here, click on it. I can if I want to change the position of it, for example, I want this stripes to go on top of this text. I click on text, click on three dots, go into position, and to do it backwards. So the text is now behind this this layer. Click on the layer. Let's decrease the transparency by clicking on the transparency option and decreasing it. We have decreased the transparency option. Now after decreasing the transparency, I again want this to go back. Click on it, go to position, click on backwards. So text again comes on the top. Now the black is not looking good. Let's change it into little bit, maybe green. Okay, let's change it to green. Green is not looking good again, so I'll just click on it, click on effects, and just there are a lot of effects that you can add. For the sake of this, I can use the background, I can use neon. All of these are good. I like the lift option a lot. I use it a lot. By increasing the intensity, it makes it pop a little bit, but for the sake of this tutorial, I'll go with the background. So let's see how it looks on other things. Is it looking good? No, it's going on top of each other. So what we can do here is click on this option right here and increase the line spacing. It's not affecting on it because again we have grouped it. Let's click on double dot to three dots and ungroup it. Now we can adjust it one by one like this. Maybe I'll just move it a little bit down, place it back, and here we go. Now it's looking a little bit cooler. We have a stripe here as well. Let's decrease the transparency of this one as well. Now it's looking a little bit more cooler. Okay, so there are a lot of things that you can do as well. Now what I'll do is I'll just go into elements, and I can add different kind of elements in it. So this was we have explained a few things, which is a photo and a text options. In photos, you can add a lot of different kind of photos like this one and a lot of others. We can add text from the text option. We can have other kind of text, and you can add manual text as well. Let's go and figure out some other options. Let's close this one and go into creating a Facebook post. Let's create a Facebook post. We'll search and we'll click on it. There are a lot of options. Again, let's select something like data analytics. Let's go. We can go with this one, but let's first select a niche, which is, let's select programming. Okay, so let's see something related to programming. We can have maybe we can go with business like this. Okay, let's go with business for the sake of this tutorial. We'll select this option. For example, we don't have any of these. We'll just delete it. Okay, and we want to create something related to business. First, we'll add the text. We can add text like here. If I'm selecting this one, let's add here programming. After adding programming, I'll select Control A, go into effects and add a lift. Now I can decrease the size to 60 maybe, increase it like this and just place it here. Okay, so it's looking not quite nice because we have the background color as white. Let's change it to black. So it's looking good programming, but we need to add something else. Let's go to elements. Now let's see what elements have to give us. We'll just write our niche, which is in this case programming. I'll just write program and this will give me a lot of pictures. If we are in all, we are getting pictures, photos, videos, everything. We'll go into photos. If I want any photo of programming, I can go into graphics and add graphics related to programming. I can add videos related and of course audio. Let's go into graphics again. I like this one. I'll just click on it and this will appear in here. I'll just increase the size and make it on the left. Okay, so why I made it on the left? Because I want to write something on the right. I'll just click on it, right click on it and copy, and then I'll click here, right click and paste. So we have this thing again appearing. So I'll just decrease the size to 25. I'll just write here programming courses $10 only. Now if you can see here, these are all congested and on top of each other. This text is on top of each other. What I'll do is I'll click on this option right here called spacing, and I'll increase the line spacing so the lines have a little bit of spacing. Then the letter spacing is too much. I'll just decrease the letter spacing, which will make these letters to come closer. When I'm satisfied, I'll click right here. I'll just decrease the size from here. I can decrease the size, or from here I can decrease the size. I'll just do this. I'll adjust it right here. Programming course is $10 only. Okay, so it's not looking good. I'll just do it this way, so it's all the way to the right. I'll just adjust it to the left, and programming courses $10 only. So it's looking great. Now I want to add logo. I don't have a logo yet, so I'll just create one in here. I'll just go with a beautiful text. Let's go with this one. So let's say my company is called Bravo. I'll just select it and go with 65 maybe. Oh, 65. Okay, so my company is Bravo and it's written here. Okay, so I can again reduce the size because it's not looking good. Maybe this size looks pretty good. I'll just adjust it according to the situation. So in this case, I can create something by adding text and also with a lot of different kind of elements. So I've added element here. So we have discovered elements tab. Now if we click on upload, you can upload media. Click on upload media and upload anything like MP3. Maybe you can upload picture and also videos that you can use, but make sure you have the copyright owner usage. Okay, so we have discovered templates tab, which if I want to create something related to program, I can search. So there's no template related to program. Okay, so we can that we searched before like gym, so we have templates like these. So we have discovered elements page, we have discovered uploads page, we have discovered photos page where you can search photos, different kind of photos. We have discovered the text page where you can add different kind of text like these, or you can add text from here like heading, subheading, etc. If we can add audio here, Canva has its own library, but most of them are pro. I have Canva Pro, so I can use them, but some people cannot. So let's see, we can have background here. Click on background and just click on anything and it will change the background. So I want something, I want to show you something. If I click on uploads and I upload a photo of mine, I'll increase the size like this, and there is an option in Canva Pro that you can use, which is if you click on edit image, you will get a lot of different kind of options. One of them is background remover. This is only available in Canva Pro. So if I click on it, this will remove the background of the image. So this is available in Canva Pro. If you want to remove it without Canva Pro, there is another video in our lecture that you can see, but this is how you'll do in Canva Pro. You'll increase the size like this, and very important thing is now you can add text behind it, which looks cool. Now if I click on this shine, I add it, I increase the size like this. It's too shiny, so maybe neon effect is not looking good. Maybe I'll go with this. Maybe go with neon. I'll click on it, click on three dots and position it backwards. Oh, in this case it's not going backward. Why not? Maybe I have done something wrong in adding the picture. Let's go and add the picture again. That picture went into the background as a background image, so that was not a background image. If I added image and remove background, that's it. Go into text, add shine. Now add here and just click on three dots, position it backwards, so it's looking a lot cooler than before. Remove this extra thing that is present here. Let's place it in the center. Let's place myself in the center as well. So this is looking quite great when you're gonna use these things on your social media platform. That will create a lot of effect. So this is how you can remove background inside Canva. So we can also animate stuff. For example, we were working on it, we had this bar here, we were working with text, we have another bar, and if you click right here outside the box, then we'll have another option to animate. Click on animate and we have a lot of different kind of options, like this one, this pan option, this fade option, this pop option, stomp option, breathe option, and a lot of others. So if we click on these, we'll just have an animated video, and we can then just select the time. I want this to be 3 seconds. So this will be an animated video of 3 seconds. We can preview this from here. If I click on it, this will be previewing the video. Let's see it again. Okay, so I can download it, click on share, click on download, and then I can just change the file type from JPG PNG to MP4. So in this case, this will be downloaded as a video. I'll click on download and this will start downloading. Okay, so when we are creating a video, we can just click on animate option and animate it. If you are not animating, then this can be exported as a PNG. Now if we go on audios, we can add an audio inside of a video. If I click on this one, this will add an audio. So audio is added like this. After adding an audio, let's preview this again. Now this time this will preview the audio as well. So audio is also previewed with this. So I can add my own audios by clicking on uploads, upload media, and my audios will appear here. My videos will appear here and my images will appear here. So we can select any audio from here and add an audio inside. So we have covered templates, templates option, elements option, uploads, photos, text, audios, videos. If for example I want a video here, I'll click on it and this will appear on the top of this. So both of these videos will go together. So for example, let's delete this one. We have videos option left to cover, so let's cover that video option inside another. Let's see, we can make a video with Facebook post template as well, but if we go with the video template inside Canva, then you will have a few extra features that Canva gives when you are working with a video template. So let's go inside a video template, and here we have this new bar that we can add stuff inside. Let's go inside the video option and add a video. Click on OK. This is troubling me. Let's see, we are always into gym stuff. Let's add a gym video like this one, drag it and drop it right here. Okay, so this video is added. So this is added here. So let's add a video in the front menu as well. Drag it and drop it. So there are two videos added. We can preview it from here. Okay, so if the video is too much, 9 seconds long, so if you want to decrease the size, click on the video and you'll see here how you click on this and just decrease or make any size visible. I want 3 second video. I'll just create it 3 seconds and just click OK. So this is 3 seconds. I want this to be 3 seconds as well. Click on the video, click here. I can double click here and click 3 and enter. This will create a 3 second. I can drag it to ensure the best parts. Click on done and this will be done as well. So how my video looks, 3 seconds of this one and 3 seconds of this one, but there is no transition in between. You see, it jumps from one video to another. To add transition, this is a new part. Click on this. We can add page and add transition. If you add page, there will be another page added where you can add other videos. I'll just delete it. Click on plus and add a transition. I can add transitions like this, slide, line wipe and circle. I think dissolve looks good. I'll double click on it. Duration, adjust the duration to 0.2 seconds and click here. So this dissolve is added. Now let's see the video like this. Yo, this is looking quite good. I can add music to it by clicking onto audio and adding any music like this one. Now when we come to music, we can just double click on the music and just adjust which section of the music you want. I want this section, let's suppose, or this section. I like this section. Then I'll just click on here. Then I can view this video. Okay, so this is all about audios, videos, backgrounds. Now there are a few things to mention. I'll mention it in another template. Let's go with a simple template of wallpaper. Simple wallpaper template. Let's go with desktop wallpapers. Click on it and we have a blank template. I wanted a blank slate to show you a little bit more things. If I go into elements, I see a lot of different things like shapes. If I click on this circular shape will be here. I can change the color of the shape from here. I can also change it by clicking here and adding any code like the here, any palette code like this. I can add circle, I can add squares like this. Also, if I click on see all, there is a lot of different shapes that I can use. Okay, if I cross it from here, it will give me take me back to the front page. Now here I can add graphics, photos, videos as we have seen, but there is another main amazing thing, which is frames. If I search here frames, I'll get a lot of frames. Like I like this one, for example. I have added a frame here, but this frame, in this frame I can add photo. Let's double click here and change the background color to yellow. Now if I click on this frame, go into photos, and I just like, for example, this kid. I'll just drag this and put it inside this. So this kid will be inside. You can upload your kid's photo here and add it here. If I click Ctrl Z, this will disappear. Now if I have any video and I want this to be inside, I'll just drag that video and put it inside. I can just play it. Now this video will be inside this box. So this frame option is kind of cool. Now another thing inside elements is animated elements. So I can have animated bug. I'll just search it. So there are a lot of bugs. None of them are animated. Yeah, this one. Okay, if you see here, this is an animated thing. Remove this, and if I add this butterfly here, this will be animating, and we will create an animated video. If I take the video. This is 8 seconds long. I'll just click on animate and I can change the animation like this, and this will be wandering. Okay, I'll just click here and change the duration to 2 seconds, and the video will become like this, only 2 seconds, animated butterfly. You can add animated anything inside, like this, animated phones. You scroll down and have some animated phones like this one. Okay, so this was all about different things inside Canva. If I remove this, if I click on more, there are also other options like QR codes, adding maybe other different bunch of options, but you don't need it that much maybe. Okay, so if you click on styles, this is also a good option. If I go into the, first of all, templates, and let's select a template, like a good one. Let's select this template. Okay, let's go, no, let's select another one. We have selected this template. Let's go into more and into styles. Okay, style, we have styles here. I can select a style. If I click on this, style will change. Okay, Arsenal style, so the style will change again. Okay, cis horizontal style will change again. You can after making a full design, you can click on these and just change the style of the design. So this also is a good option to have inside Canva. So this will be this was the video about Canva. I hope you liked the video and you will be able to create anything inside Canva. This is it. I'm your instructor and I'm leaving, and I hope you will like this course.